What's up, everybody? Real Ninjas here, heading out from Vallejo with Jackie Boy, who's camera shy. Jack! Anyways, as you can see, the car is stuffed. And I'm going to be cooking and catering on the Caldon 1 this weekend, Saturday and Sunday. So we're about to head out to K-Dock and load the boat, stock it up. This is Friday. Tomorrow is Saturday. And we're going to be staying fishy and staying cookie. So we'll see you out there. Yee! Well, pulling up in Berkeley right now on K-Dock. As you can see, the car is loaded. My suspension is squatting. And I'm pulling up in here right now. And we're going to go load the boat. And tomorrow's the big day. Tomorrow's gonna be my first big show. You know, I cook a lot, I cook for people a lot, but this is a different scale. This is different. But we're gonna put the ninja wood to it and do what we do. Some monkey ass beer. Alright. Right?
I don't know where the light switch is, but I'm cooking.
Alright. That was a lot of work. My first time ever cooking like that for people. But I gotta say, it does taste good and they seem happy. And now they're fishing and they got full bellies. Time to start working on the appetizers after I get done cleaning up here. Check it out. Alright, get back to work.
That juice.
Nice. Good job. Let a little line out. Nice one.
All right. Number 10.
What's that? 16.
Guys, do not put your fingers in their mouth. They will get you. Yeah, no. I mean, I'm even though.
One.
Hell yeah.
Oh yeah, that's nice,
Turn
man.
it around. Show the other side. There you go.
That's a beauty right there. That's a good size one.
1, 2, 3. Oh wait. Just kidding. Come on. Come on. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Perfect.
Yeah, what do we do?